Here's a quick Datawake update for the week ending February 18th, 2016. New features being demoed are the revised sidebar, page rating from low to high, and prefetch. The previous sidebar implementation was problematic on certain complex pages. This prompted us to refactor it using the Firefox sidebar SDK. This has greatly improved both performance and reliability and separated Datawake functionality from the native web page JavaScripts. The sidebar may be disabled from the toolbar or via the Firefox toolbar menus like so. Currently, the sidebar is set to open automatically once you begin trailing. We've added the ability for a user to rate a page, a few stars for a low rating, many for a high. Rating a page is not required, and we do allow a user to clear the rating if they do it accidentally. The Extracted Entities widget now polls until it has results, removing guesswork from the user and indicating while it is working. Extraction may be disabled using the toggle button if the user prefers not to see it. We'll go to a page and watch our extraction. As you can see, on our search in the Ponzi scheme, we have extractions of Madoff, Bernie Madoff, China, Ponzi, Charles Ponzi, other terms that you might expect to see. If we scroll through the page, we get the default view. We can, as always, toggle on our domain items, and we will immediately get the terms highlighted within the page. And as I said, extractions can be turned off, which will hide them and save a little processing time. The prefetch widget has been added to the sidebar. It scrapes links from the current page, and it ranks each link based on the frequency of occurrence of domain items appearing on those links. We restrict the results to the top 15 URLs, with the best match being represented by a large circle and less matches with smaller circles. The user may view the URL by mousing over, or you can click on the link in the tab to open it. You'll notice domain items were all automatically highlighted on the page. You'll also notice that prefetch started loading it to process the next graphic. You can zoom in on the results to see the actual scores. And here we can see that Bernie Madoff had a hit of 432, which is something you would expect. You'll see additional pages like Money CNN, New York Times, Online Wall Street Journal, all different articles that if you wanted to follow could lead you down a Ponzi scheme trail. We'll click on one, continue our example. We can turn our extractions back on. And there are our extracted terms. If we stop this, we can always go back to our depot, view our domain, go in and see our Ponzi scheme domain, see our entity types, go in and see the items that we've been viewing. These are terms that we had found when we were doing searches for Ponzi schemes. And that concludes our demo. Thanks for watching.